Annyeonghaseyo, welcome back to the channel. This is your buddy Lightliger here, and today I will be showing you how to stake your Klaytn coins. And Klaytn is a coin project that I have talked about a couple of times in the channel. I have said that it's a very under the radar project and you should have invested in it. When I did a last video about Klaytn, it was priced at 15 cents. So if you had listened my advice on the first time or the second time, you would have seen 4 times the gains right now on that investment. And I don't think this 60 cents or even the 76 cents was the high ceiling for Klaytn. This is just starting as a blockchain project, and this is obviously run by Kakao, which is a very popular, it's basically Telegram of Asia. 92% of Koreans who have smartphones are using that app. So let that sink in. 200 million people worldwide. But let's go back into how do we stake our Klaytn coins. So the first thing you need is the kaikas extension. Right now, you're able to get it on the Chrome Web Store. And you just add it here, and then it will pop out on here on your tab. And the first thing you need to do is create an account. You will get a seed phrase. Make sure to store that seed phrase in a notebook, somewhere where it's safe, somewhere it won't get lost. Obviously, even if you lose it, you still have the extension on your computer. And we're going to be going inside by logging in on with our password. And this is showing us the current interface and the address. And here you can see from the token list all the projects that are listed here. Cosmos, PIB, and Spin. These two in particular are big projects and big dapps under Klaytn. And you can also add tokens here from the list that they have added here on their extension. But we are going to be choosing Klay here. And then we are going to go to Klaystation. Very, very, very funny, rhythm play on the PlayStation. What you need to do next is go into the dashboard and click Connect Kaikas. And then a pop-out will be coming out and you click Connect. And now we are here at the interface, and we have right now 445 Klay staked on the platform, and we're going to be staking the remaining amount that we have on our wallet. So I've also made rewards here, half a Klay from a couple of days ago when I started staking on the 13th. So that's much how my reward I has made. In case I want to unstake, I also can unstake the amount here, and I can choose a percentage if I want to, but I want to keep my Klaytn here and earning me more rewards. So we're going to be clicking stake now, and we're going to be putting that full amount here, 100%, and we're going to be clicking confirm. And now there will be another pop-out on the Kaikas notification. There will be a small fee attached to it when you are going to be confirming this transaction. And you can also see the data here in case you're interested in. And you're going to be clicking confirm. And now the actual transaction has gone through. We click OK. And now the actual balance here has updated, and the notification came out here that we have now staked in our Klaytn. And we can also see in the history tab all the transactions that have taken place. It doesn't show us the staking rewards. You can also see the Explorer, and we can copy the actual address from here. Click to copy board and paste it, search. And here we can also see our own address, the amount of staked, the rewards to date, withdrawals in progress, and amount in Kaikas. So right now the balance in here will show us that it's near to 0 because we just sent all of that Klay into the actual staking contract. And that's pretty much my rundown on how to do this whole process. It's very simple. The extension is very easy to use. It comes out with a Korean language. I think it's on the settings. So people watching this in Korean, you can also change the language into the Korean language here very easily. And it's a simple thing to do. And more Klaytn videos are gonna come out on the channel as more projects are messaging me. So in case you want to contact me and work with me on some Klaytn projects, you can send me an email to this address, lightliger@protonmail.com. And also you can send me tips to this address. And I will be doing more stuff about Klaytn in the future. I'm going to be very excited to see how it's going to be developing and how more new dApps are going to be surfacing on the market. And stay tuned for more guides around Klaytn if there's going to be emerging something more interesting also in the future. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.